There's so many platforms and applications right now with the hashtags, free or paid services. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you software and apps to find the right hashtags for your content on social media channels and the platforms. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ksenia, and I'm going to talk about 5 software. They have pros and cons, and I'm going to talk about my favorite one that I use for Instagram and for the YouTube. I don't do it manually because then it's going to take a lot of time. So it's all automatically using the right programs for it. At the end, I'll give you 2 secret hashtag that you can add in almost any post, and this post or video will perform much better if you add this hashtag. Make sure you watch until the end. And the first platform is called iqhashtags.com, which is instantly check that you're not using banned hashtags, because there are so many hashtags because they have high volume. And if you put that hashtag, let's say you have a beauty salon and you put that hashtag beauty, so there's a 0 chance that someone will see your post, because
there's millions of posts like this,
which we might consider as a banned hashtags. So this is a good application. Let's take a look.
This website, you can use more accurate data, advanced search and hashtag performance. Also, you can create collections and see advanced profile analytics, so you can check which of your hashtags are banned, and being hashtags are the most common reason why posts on Instagram are invisible to other people. The pricing, you can start as low as $0 if you have only Instagram profile. You're not gonna use all the tools, but it's gonna be enough. But be aware, if you have more than 50,000 followers on Instagram, then you still have to pay at least $5 a month. If your size on Instagram is up to 300 followers, then you have to pay $6 a month. If you have a few Instagram accounts or 5 profiles, you can use pro version with unlimited maximum Instagram profile size. And this website has more data. It's for more professional, for social media managers or business owners who are managing their pages themselves. Look at this more professional way.
And there's another platform. It's called Flick.tech. It's the software, but you have to pay for this service. Let's take a look.
It's also for managing and growing your Instagram accounts and helping you get organized. Tools you can use: scheduling hashtags, research, analytics, and helping you to grow and manage your Instagram accounts, not only for the hashtags. If you have a business and few accounts on social media, you can use this service. But if you're just starting out and trying to grow your social media, I don't think you have to start with this service. You might take some services with the free version, because this website doesn't have a free version. The pricing starting from €7. The highest price is $4 a month. But all plans have 7-day free trial, and you can cancel anytime. But as I said, if you have a business, if you have a big Instagram account, you can try to use this service. But if you're just starting out, you can try different services.
Another one I want to talk about is called inflag.com, where you can basically scan your photo and they're gonna suggest some hashtags for your photo, which is good for Instagram. But let's say if you have a video, they're not gonna perform really well because they're not gonna know what you're gonna talk in your video, right?
This website for professional use for businesses with different tools such as advanced direct messenger, CRM system, and artificial intelligence, and of course generator for hashtags. Also, you can schedule your post and content on this website. Pricing, unfortunately, there's no free version, but you can start as low as $3 for 7 days trial. Sign up and cancel your subscription after that time. And the lowest price here is $54, and the highest price is $84. But like I said, this website is not only for the hashtag, It's multi-purpose service that includes different tools for Instagram promotions, such as build your audience, managing content, and communicating with the clients. If you have a business that has been working for a while and you have your audience, I think you can use this website. I don't think this website is going to be for the beginners.
And there's another service, it's called hashtags.com, which is you don't have to upload any photos or videos. You can just choose a keyword, let's say social media marketing or beauty salon. They instantly get Instagram hashtags with the medium volume that you can use for the Instagram.
This website has a generator that you can see some data and analyze that data. And based on that data, you can create collections for different topics, for different hashtags, and different niches. And each collection of 200 300 hashtags of different size would help you to optimize your groups for different content. You can use this website to search for free, but you have to register and confirm your account and create different collections for your hashtags. That's going to help you to understand how the hashtags work. And this is great for the beginners and start to understand how hashtags can generate better traffic for your social media. And the last free method, searching for hashtags, you can always go to the Instagram and find right hashtags right there. But make sure you follow this rule of hashtags: niche, campaign, industry, location, community, and the event. And don't forget that secret hashtag that's going to help you to perform for your post much better. If you post YouTube, add hashtag YouTube. If you post on Instagram, post Instagram trends. If you post reels on Instagram, then add the hashtag Reels Instagram.
And if you know any really good software, please share with me. I would love to know. Maybe I don't know some, and maybe I'll switch and start using that, because I'm always searching for good services. If this video was really helpful, let me know in the comment section below, or just anything you want to say. Follow me on Instagram, YouTube, or if you need my services, you can always sign up for the session with me and audit for your social media channels, and we build the strategy together. I provide consulting services in case if you don't have a social media manager or your marketing budget is really tight. Will help you to perform. Everything will be scheduled automatically. Please don't hesitate to send me an email or send me a message on Instagram, and we'll set up with a phone call with you one-to-one. See you in the next video.